Hello guys, today we're gonna be making a video. Sorry I took that long, I just was a little bit concentrated thinking about the video. But today I'm recording on my kind of Frankenstein PC tablet, you know. I just downloaded it. I'm just like getting over the training, you know, here, like how does it work? This thing's up here. I don't like it. I don't like that it's too small, but this little dog I enjoy it. Yeah, so just like pop this, and this will pop, and this is my little computer thing. Oh, I like how it looks. I'm so gonna get copyright because of this. Wait, who cares? Who cares? So there's a video that is viral. I don't know why. Sorry, it's in Spanish. I just like I don't know it's in English, and it literally got everything in Spanish. I need to get the settings of this. It's a new OS. I don't really know. Anyhow, so there's like a video called Beep Like a Sheep. So I actually have the song downloaded on my phone. I really enjoy it, but I haven't watched the video. So yeah, yeah. I'm just not Spanish. I'm Puerto Rican, you know, but who cares? Is this one the one that I was being told? So I don't even have a mouse. I really need to get one. I have the keyboard though, but it's on the other way of the room, so I'm not gonna get it. So I'm sheep. So I like it how the volume gets here. I don't really want to make an ear rape right now, so sorry for the background. I'm just like it's very late at night. I don't know if you noticed a clock at the beginning of the video. Okay, so I just press here and it's like a little PC, but on an Android tablet. It's kind of very complex. It's this one. It's this one. It's this one on the corner. Ah, I got the wrong one. I got the wrong one. Oh my god, this is so slow. This internet, the web in this OS is a crap. It sucks. Oh my god, finally, it loaded. Okay, wait. I cannot even get it up. I'm just gonna watch it. Well, it's not that rubbish watching videos. Okay, this is rubbish. This sucks. Okay. I forgot to turn on my face cam, but whatever. If you want a video with the face cam, just leave a like. Can I actually? Oh my god, I love this. See, look at the time. It's very late at night. I like it. Now, this is my part. I'm gonna sing.
So, you know how to beat people like a sheep, I see. But, is that all you can do?
Sorry about the speaker sound. What? Put your hands up and put them to the sky. Just hold the line side to side. Just bounce around and go to the ground. Go crazy now and meow meow like a cow. I'm a cow that meow meow, I'm a cow. Meow meow, I'm a cow that meow meow, meow meow. Oh my god, that's like a cat. Meow meow, meow meow, I'm a cow. You got to beep beep. I'm sheep. Beep beep. You got to beep beep. Beep beep like a sheep. Oh my god, that was a pretty good thing. So yeah, so I'm just gonna leave the video on the comment section, on the description. I forgot the name. I'm sleepy. Sorry. On the description below, if you want to watch it, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, this is a pretty basic video. So I'm just gonna try. Let's see. Let's try doing this. Share. Oh my god, this is rubbish. And what? So, oh, 2000. What does the fuck say? And now it's beep beep like a sheep. Yeah, I know. It's better. So I can't seem to find how I was supposed to do that. I don't know. Share again. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna copy this. Oh no, the keyboard open. Keyboard, we don't really need you right now. There we go. And now, see this little things for downloading everything I put in my thingy. Look at this. This is so small. Oh my god. Oh, this is an status bar. That's so. I'm gonna show you how do I upload my videos because many of you don't know how do I upload my videos. This is very complex to use right now. So you can really have all of your Android apps. The Lena upgrade, that's not for Android, that's if you want to. That's not update. So just to get into the YouTube app. I don't know why didn't I use my YouTube app, but yeah, pretty much nobody cares. And we wait for it to load. We go here because I don't want any copyright. And I don't have my home. I don't get it. Why is everything in Spanish? I had it on English. Oh my god. At least I understand it. We go to the little reload cam. And here we go. So I actually need to stop the recording because it will never save. Yeah, guys, that's it. So don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. I really like the multitasking thing because I can be on YouTube here in my movies. Look at this lag. This really needs some upgrading. But I have all of these windows. So look, I had it on Spotify. It's beep beep like a sheep. Beep beep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. So I'm just gonna download Minecraft Pocket Edition. So I need to give it an update. And yeah. So this is gonna be everything for the video. I said it many times, but this one is official. Look at this. I like the animation. Look at that. That's amazing. So my desktop is clean. I need to put it to charge because it doesn't have very much charge. I can find the charger, so I'm lost. Lost in your mind. Anyhow, thank you for watching the video. See you next time.